Now my brother, oh no, my own they come. Good things come to those who man.
Guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delightful, much interesting video here on the channel. This one is about OBO and Chief Priest Dr. Ezemo, the owner and the CEO of Xhrine. Anyway, Ezemo is in Lagos, and they had this wonderful moment, you know, exploring Davido new Royce Cullion. I'm talking about his new Royce Cullion that he brought into the country recently, and that's what they've been exploring, you know. And you know, Chief Priest seeing the whole moment and is wishing for his own too. You know, Davido has been someone who he has really been good to this guy. He has been supportive to Ezemo. He has been supportive to him financially, business wise, and a whole lot. Davido has really been there for him. Anyway, I'll be sharing with you the highlight here. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Share your thoughts in the comment section. I appreciate that a lot.
Asaba. We are on our way. Breathe. Who goes there? Who first buy old school? Oh. They feel am. Your father. Are you crazy?
Yeah, boy. Who goes there? That's a day. Check out. Chief Priest. 2021 shutdown is still coming.
I tell you.
Before the show, you
I'm very. Come on. Never go down. Black on black on black. That's our own around. Now my iPhone they play for Rolls Royce. Now my brother, oh no, my own they come. Good things come to those who man. Hey, bossman. We're outside on an around shit.
I was good to see your house. Oh damn. You were saying.
Take me away, Daisy. Bentiaga with the inside Rolls Royce. We'll get Land Cruiser. They even dash us Prados, not one, not two, not three. Multiple, bro. Out of you, my brother. You the man. Zero. Let them know we're coming, Asaba.
Just like Chief Priest said there, good things come to those who believe and with clean spirit and wish for them, and I believe so too. Yes, if you're a good person and you work hard for yourself, definitely good things will definitely come to you. And yeah, we all know Davido is hardworking. It's been hit back to back, each year, each moment, each time. But one thing is for sure, that anytime you see Ezemo in Lagos, I'm talking about Cubana Chief Priest, whenever you see him in Lagos, he is not just coming for Davido, he's coming for one endorsement deal or the other. This guy is blessed. We don't know where then they see their own God, but it's working good for them, and we appreciate God for their lives, because yes, like we said before, good things comes to those with free spirit. Anyway guys, I hope you have a wonderful time out there in this 3-minute video. Please, in the comment section, tell me your thoughts. Do you really think Davido is overhyping this car, or is just worth the hype?